different situations call for different measures. Imagine that you can shorten the time you spend thinking, what am I going to eat today? What am I going to eat tomorrow? How do I do this? How do I do that? I mean, when it comes to living a healthy life, you also want to maximize your time. And one of the ways in which you can maximize your time is allowing AI to help you with your meal planning. I am a techie pharmacist and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a pharmacist and I make videos to help you build healthy habits with technology. So in the last video, I reviewed a meal planning app. If you've not watched that video, do well to watch that video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about a very simple, easy, short way to come up with a meal plan that fits and suits your needs. So in this episode, the AI that we're going to be using is none other than Char GPT 4.0, as you all know. Well, not many people know about Char GPT, interestingly. So if you've not heard about Char GPT, this is another opportunity for you to hear about Char GPT and how you can apply Char GPT into your daily life. Remember that AI also has its limitation. I'll be talking about limitations later in this video, but before we go to the limitations, we're going to be checking how we can use this to suit our needs. So let's dive right into it. You can always use ChatGPT on your laptop or on your phone. So here I'm asking ChatGPT to make a meal plan, and that includes high protein, low carb options for weight loss. Let's see what ChatGPT makes of this. Thank you, ChatGPT. So you could see that it was also able to include the calories that it contains. So remember that ChatGPT makes mistakes. So these calories might not entirely be accurate. You might want to go extra miles to measure the calories yourself if you have the tools for it. You also want to screen this to check if you have any allergies. You can always further include prompts to include your allergies, your likes, your dislikes. So when you refine this meal plan, assuming I am allergic to cheese and yogurt, as per lactose intolerant yogurt. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna do. So another thing about ChatGPT is that in comparison to the app, now for the app, immediately you select the food, just like I discussed in the last video, it automatically gives you the ingredient and the recipe. Now in case of ChatGPT, you have to begin to ask for the recipe for each of the meal, which can be daunting at times. Of course, this is free, and free things comes at a cost, right? So let's go to scenario 2. Can you create a meal plan for someone who is looking to generally eat healthy? Not bad. This is actually great. This is awesome. You can always copy and paste this table into a Google Doc, or you can copy and paste it into a Google Sheet if you want to follow this meal plan every day. So assuming I want ChatGPT to tailor this meal plan to a specific culture of food. So I am Nigerian. So let's say, can you tailor this meal plan to fit the Nigerian style? So let's see what it comes up with. Ooh, this is lovely. So on Monday, we're having pap and akara for breakfast. Is this really realistic? Is it realistic to have pap and akara on Monday morning? I don't think that is realistic. So you can always switch things around. Be flexible about what you're doing. Lunch, grilled chicken, jollof rice, and steamed vegetables. Not bad, really. Then snacks, sliced pawpaw. You can always buy that one in the supermarket. dinner baked fish with vegetable soup, that's a efori roll, and small portion of pounded yam. Interestingly, I wasn't expecting ChatGPT to put small portion to remind you of the portion size if you're eating healthy. I like the fact that it also include fruits and vegetables, such that even in your planning, it also helps you to consciously include fruit and vegetables in your diet. Now, on a final note, always use AI along with a professional advice. So if you need professional advice from a nutritionist, if you need more details, always seek professional advice, and be careful of putting in too much of your personal data in AI devices like this, especially publicly available AI softwares like this. There's a common myth that if you want to eat healthy, you want to, carry on that habit or build on the habit of eating healthy, you always have to cook or you always have to do homemade meals. When you have this meal plan, you can always order right foods rather than depending on junk on the excuse of, I am so busy, I don't have time to cook. Remember that AI works best when you put in the right prompts. The right prompt means that you're giving it the right information, simple and precise. So if you have still not seen the video on the review I did on this popular meal app, check out this video here to watch that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.